to thank Miss Angel and Miss Velasquez for letting us come in and partner with you guys. This is for you guys, all right? All right, ready? So
Yes,
with me?
yes.
Velasquez, you want to come in?
Let's
Let's do it all together.
Here,
Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for all your help. We appreciate
Thank you so much, Freedom Church. Thank you.
Thank you.
Man, I'm so excited. This is awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you, Luella Merret. Thank you, Freedom Church, for sponsoring and bringing toys and just helping our community. I'm excited. Big things are coming. We love you guys.